Okay, let me bring in Christine Kahema. She's a director, Alpha Tax and Business Advisory Services here. Christine, is this taxing policy sustainable in the long run?
Thank you, Trevor. I think that's a very good question. And maybe just to say, we have been on this journey. Last year, we actually had public participation on the medium-term revenue strategy and the national tax policy. And these two documents were critical in informing what we see in the finance bill. Now, the challenge is we saw some proposals actually from in there going into the finance bill, but some proposals were new. You know, we hadn't seen them when we were having the conversations on the national tax policy. Now, remember, a national tax policy must spur and be very attractive to investors, while at the same time raising sufficient revenue for government. Now, getting to that balance is what is most critical. When you look at some of the proposals in the finance bill, and I'll also just follow up on the conversation on manufacture, the manufacturing sector supports an entire value chain. So you have those at the downstream, those are the suppliers of raw materials, then you have the person manufacturing the item, then you have the distributors, the person who gets the goods to the final consumer. So you're seeing the impact is not just on the manufacturer, it actually affects the entire value chain. So if you have a proposal that is not very good on the manufacturer, it will affect the distributor and it will also affect the final consumer. So because for a business, you have to make a choice when you have a tax increase, either to absorb the cost. What that does for you is that it eats into your opportunity for growth and investment, or what you do, you pass it to the final mwananchi. So Trevor, there are some good proposals in the finance bill that actually increase the disposable income for the common mwananchi from a PAYE perspective, but someone at the back end is going to take it away through all these indirect taxes. We are seeing financial services costs going up, the VAT on bread goes up. So we would have enjoyed a saving, but from an indirect tax perspective, the cost is really, really high.